Absolutely clean window washing coming to you with the home for pressure washing here. Very high side of the home. I figured I'd let you see this part. We're up on the ladder. He's actually squirting out the gutters right now. Again, this is absolutely clean window washing. We are a fully insured company specializing in residential and commercial window cleaning, pressure washing, and gutter cleaning. We're getting the outside of the home all pressure washed, and when that's done, we're going to wash the windows. We've already done the windows inside. This is the last side of the home we have to do here. Very, very, very beautiful home here on the lake. We start with the fascia, then we go to the soffit and the siding. We do it all the way around the windows. We're using a turbo nozzle here, which covers a lot of ground at once. Again, this is absolutely clean window washing, pressure washing a home near Annandale, Minnesota. We are fully insured and have great reviews. You can find us on the web at absolutelycleanwindowwashing.com. There's a phone number hyphen or slash between each word. Absolutely /clean/window/washing.com. You can give us a call at 612-919-4185. That number again is 612-919-4185.